All right, I just have a few.
Hey, Bob, how'd you break that guitar?
Yeah, that was clearly not the right adjustment. My name's not Bob. Hold on. One more attempt here. All right, let's see if this helps. Squawkamo has been really rude ever since he was re-engineered. And he's insulted a lot of my clients, and I tried to reprogram him. I'm going to see how it goes, okay? Ready? Turn him on, let's see.
Hello.
Okay, that's a good start. Let's see if I can get him to purr. Oh yeah, this is very promising. You're being really good.
What in the heck is that thing?
Are you referring to me?
What in the heck is that thing?
Oh my God, he's repeating himself. Squawkamo. Thank you, a kiss. You are being nice. You clearly got a couple of bugs in you. Let me just tweak your voice module here.
What's it doing?
I'm tweaking your voice module because you're still being a little bit quirky. Okay, now, are you done being mean and rude?
I promise to be nice.
You do? I got to hear that again.
I promise to be nice.
Okay. I'm very happy to hear that you want to be nice. I'm going to celebrate by playing, this is a ukulele, and he typically hates ukuleles. Do you mind if I play this?
Oh, no, not again.
Listen, you're in my office with my clients. They all have instruments. Can I please play this for you? You might like it.
Please don't play that thing.
I have a phone call. I have to get that.
Stop. Are you trying to kill me?
I just wanted to play you a quick song before I get the phone.
Cruelty to animals.
Oh my God.
Cruelty to animals.
Oh my God. I gotta get I'm done. I gotta get the phone. I'm turning you off. That's it. I give up.